Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get more color in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then create any page, otherwise you can open your existing document. Now I create the letter page. Now you can see here update. Now I am create a shape. Go to the shape menu and select the ellipse shape. Then create a shape. Then select the shape. Use the move tool. Now I move the shape and select the color. Now you can see here a green color. You want to get more than color, go to the window menu and select the color option. You can choose the F6 or color option to edit the color. Now you can change the color using this. Otherwise you can color like gradient, or you can add the swatch. Go back again and enable the swatch, otherwise press F5 on your keyboard. Now you can see we get more than color to Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.